marimba rhythm start to play.
Here's a gorgeous 1941 Series 62 Cadillac Convertible Sedan. This car is in amazing condition. It's probably one of the best out there on the market. The car is completely restored. Probably like 15 years ago. It's been in the hands of a couple collectors ever since. But it was done professionally and done right. Well, it looks like it was restored yesterday. The paint's just gorgeous. The chrome's gorgeous. All the pot metal's perfect. This car does not need a thing. The glass is beautiful. Excellent fit and finish. And the grille is spectacular in it. The interior is gorgeous. Steering wheel's excellent, perfect. All the gauges are all been restored. The wood grain's amazing. Leather is the correct leather in the car. Jams are nicely finished. Sill plates are perfect. Seats, amazing condition. Everything works in the car. One light bulb out. We'll fix that. I just noticed that. Let's put a new light bulb in it. Top frame's all been restored. Top works amazing. It's just a pain to put down a little bit, so. But it does go up and down. It does have the top boot. window stripping's all great. Can never restore the car for the price we're asking, even they gave it to you. The windows fit nice, and it's the top. It's got the nice blue trim around the top. Under the hood looks like better than new. Everything's been rebuilt, replaced, restored. The correct asbestos shielding there. This looks like a true showpiece when you pop the hood. Hood's really nice. Inside the trunks, all restored with the correct material. Jack, top boot, nicely finished. Car starts right up. It's like a Swiss time watch. Horn works. Radio does work. It takes a while to warm up and get sound, but it does turn on. Clock does not work, but they never work in these. To make the clock work, you convert it to quartz mechanism. Windows roll up and down, all nice and smooth. Speedo works nice. Shift's nice and smooth. Nice and tight. It's a real nice, smooth car. Gas gauge works, oil pressure works, battery gauge works, temp gauge works. Car's ready to go cruising, go on tours in. The car's all sorted out and ready to go.
Hold me close, sway me more.